Good morning, traders. Let's see with daily profits. And today's Thursday, and as you can see, I'm in WNW. I saw it as it was breaking these levels right here, pre-market. These are 9 around this area. So I bought in for the break of 9, and as you can see, there is beautiful continuation. So I'm looking for a break of 10 to take some profits. I'm at 96 right now. 10, taking some profits at 10. So we get a continuation, taking some more profits. So I only got 250 shares left on this one, which I'm gonna hold. I bought all the way down at 9, so this is a really good continuation, as you can see. And the daily, it has room all the way up to $12. So that is really good. And this one is a low float, about 6 million shares of volume. So you can definitely see a lot of continuation for this one. So I think I'm just gonna hold on to the remainder of the shares. I bought at 9, it's at 10. So I think a lot of people's going to start seeing this one as volume accumulates, and it's probably going to head higher. So this was a beautiful breakout on this stock right here. And it has a lot of room for continuation. A lot of room. There is no resistance until 1245, where the 200 moving average is at. So plenty of room for continuation on this one. This right here was a beautiful breakout. breaks this level right here, 94, I'm all out. AYRO is making a move. News came out on AYRO this morning. So from 5 to 550, 566. Looking for is a pullback. Has some room to move. Resistance is at 6. But if it breaks resistance, it can definitely continue a bit higher. Still holding the remainder of my shares in WNW. Question is it gonna break 6? I'm gonna buy it for the break of 6. Went too fast. So basically, gotta play the pullback on this one. As you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles. So I definitely want to play the pullback on that one, so I'm going to be watching this one. But in the meantime, let me get out of my WNW trade. I'm going to sell half this. Just have $105 left on this trade right here. So 993 is my stop out level for this one. If it's continuation, I'll definitely be buying WNW around the 1025 for another break. Right now at this moment, it needs consolidating, as you can see. So it does consolidate for a little bit and then continue, and then once it continue higher, they'll be good. I'll be looking to enter into it again. So out of all of my shares at this time. They're watching AY all since after commissions and fees. News came out on MEDS. As you can see, it's doing a really big move as of right now. It's up about $1.83. So looking for the pullback and see if I can play the pullback on this one for another high. It's above the VWAP, which is the volume weighted average price right now. So let's see if we can get continuation. High is 650 right now. Nothing but green candles at this moment. Spreads are a little bit wide, and it is also a low float with about 3 million share float. So this baby can move. And it breaks 7. Seven. You want to play this one on a pullback. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green candles in a row. And this is the beginning of this move. So first pullback is always gets bought. As you can see, I'm back now. It wasn't much of a pullback. I'm still on the sideline though. EDS on the daily resistance is all the way up around the $10 area, so it has room. If it breaks 10, then basically nothing but blue skies. As you can see here, $3, and it's not pulling back yet. Low float, this baby can move. So this right here is a pretty healthy pullback. Time for the break of 8. Let's see if we get continuation. Stopping out, make $10. So basically break even on this trade right here. So I'm gonna wait for another entry. So I do see that it has support around this 780 level. So another break above 8 is a buy for me also. I bought a little bit too early. Exit for me is right here. I'm exiting right now. Yeah, I bought a little bit too early on that one, so I'm exiting because I saw a lot of resistance. But this was a fat finger trade, basically. So support is still around the 780s. Buy point is at 8. Buying around this level, see if we get continuation on the 5-minute candle here. But at 803. See if we get continuation. New 5-minute candle. Copy that. Okay. All right. 2 red trades in it, and as you can see, push higher, so I'm buying for the break of 30. That's funny, right? And 30, 29, get that high, 50. See, we get continuation here. 60. 68 is the high, 70, selling some here. That's the move I was waiting for, but it did not give it to me until late. Five. 70 was the high on this one. Let's see if we get a continuation. It's a break back above 50. I see 60. Needs to break back above 65. 70. Selling some here. And getting out the remainder. Basically on this one, it's basically I'm back break even because I was expecting for this break to take place here, but it did not. It consolidated a little bit more and then popped around this area here, and I got in, and I really got in late. I bought in around what level did I buy? I bought in around 8:30, so 30 cents from where I wanted to get to take my entry at. So, but this one is a mover, and it can definitely go. So just looking for, you know, some other opportunities in it. So this was the first pullback, and it consolidated around the 780 area, as you can see, and then popped. So nice pop, popped, broke 8, and then went to 81. So about 81 cent pop. That was really good. Nice, looking for continuation, and if we consolidate again, that's definitely, it's gonna go ahead and break the 9 level and continue higher. So we will see what this one wants to do. So on this one, this basically I only accumulated commissions and fees on this one. I was up 9.99. I'm up 10.14. $15 winner, 16. So it was just commissions because it was a break-even trade for me. MRIN is set to resume at 41.16. See, we get continuation for this one. Basically, it shows opening at $14 right now for MRIN. That is 70 cents from where he got halted. That is a big move. Previous day high was 1882 for it. So there can be a continuation. So let's see. Oh, they didn't even pull back yet. Oh, levels at 15. I will definitely be buying if it tries to break above 15. It is a fast moving stock, so you gotta be very careful. As you can see, it's pulling back right now. That is very healthy. I would say that's very healthy. If it pulls back and then try to retest again, that will be a very good buy. But we should see what it wants to do. 88 was the high. As you can see, big flush, big move up, big move down. You gotta be very careful on this one. High is at 97 right now. Hey, baby. Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah. MRN, as you can see, it pushed up all the way to 16. I didn't get my $15 entry that I wanted. A little bit too late on that one. As you can see, it's about to get halted again. Or 50 shares. Here comes resumption. 49, 47 is resumption time for it. As you can see, it dropped back down to 16, 60, 58, 51. High is 18. Big move. Break of 17. Not going to be a buyer at that level. Definitely. Oh, wow. Broke way too quick. Wow. Previous day high for MRIN is 1882. So I definitely think it's going to break it. Definitely think it's going to break it. That is such a crazy move right here. Crazy move. MRIN out from the open. 1849, 1850. I'm seeing opening. 18. I see opening at 18. Okay, so here comes the dip. Selling all my shares. And as you can see, there's continuation. This hit a high. Now this right here is definitely extended at this moment. Beautiful move. $8. So if you can definitely pull back and consolidate, and then try to move another move higher, that would be great. because this move is insane. And I was looking at it, I was trying to enter here around $15. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. 15 to 19, that's a $4 move. And continuation. Oh my goodness. But you have to really be careful because as you can see, this red candle flush from almost $2.50 flush on just one candle. You have to be really careful around this top right here. So in order for me to play this again, I definitely need to see a pullback in consolidation, even if it is above 18 and hold 18. I definitely want that consolidation to take place in order for another move to happen, because this is a parabolic move. This stock moved $7 in less than 28 minutes, so it needs to rest. Insane. About $326 on it. So when it opened up, I bought around 1877 for the break because I know the previous day high was 1889. So I bought it at 1887, and then I sold all my shares at around like 1896. So definitely want to pull back on this one for consolidation and then another test of the highs. That's how I'm going to play it. I do see resistance here at 19, so that is a spot that it needs to break once it's moving back up. See, it's getting halted. Might get halted going down. As you can see, such a parabolic move. We'll see if it wants to get, we'll see if there is continuation for this one. This needs to consolidate, like I said, consolidate on low volume and then pop for continuation. A lot of people are seeing this stock right now at this moment, and it is a low float, 9 million share float. It is on everybody's list at this moment. A lot of people are looking for buying opportunities at around it. So let's see if we can get a good continuation. So basically, as you can see here, this looks like a beginning of an ABCD pattern. So A, B, C, and what you want is continuation, D. But it can take a little. Sometimes it can stretch out because the five minute is so extended at this moment. So you might see an ABCD pattern on the 5 minute, which is the longer time frame. Continuation. Big flush, $2 flushes. As you can see, you don't want to have a bad entry on this stock before you flush. See, try to break 1850 but couldn't break. It got rejected, came right back down. Spreads out a little bit wide. I need 5 minutes. As you can see, it's holding the non-moving average as support. touched 1850 twice and it didn't break it. You can see here 1, 2. So this is a resistance area right here, 1850 for it. If he wants to test it one more time. Need some good volume to come into it. As I told you, it's a little bit extended. It's resting at this moment right now. Hopefully for another leg up. As you can see, it's holding that it's holding that non-moving average as support, and it's pulling back with low volume. Okay, see as it's coming down now. So next support line is around 17, which is the 21 moving average. And this is also a bull flag pattern. So basically, this is the pole right here, and this is the flag. As you can see, it's pulling back with low volume, and what you want is continuation volume. So let's see if that can take place. Thank you for calling Progressive. This is Nestle speaking. Can I help you? Yes, hello? Yes, this is me. Okay, what's the claim number? Anthony. So this individual right here, at this moment is not releasing his vehicle. Um, yes, yes. So at this moment, go ahead and please cancel it because I will wait to see what the other insurance company, the other body shop has to say because he's adamant about not, um, he could not be into a loss because he owes more than, the actual value in the vehicle. So, so yeah, so go ahead and cancel it, and I'll speak to him so I can see what estimate he has and bring up. Then we'll move forward with the process if need be. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. ATH drinker. Pausing for now. Hello everyone, Ness here with Daily Profits, and today was a really good day in the markets. Starting from the pre-market. So basically today I made about $1,348 in the market. So my account is up about $35.72. So when you add this 1,348, you get around around 4,900 in regards for my starting profit for Friday. So basically I started my day off and I was just looking for, what's basically moving in the markets, and every day this is the scanner I look up to see what's moving in the markets. So it has I have the scanner to be from the highest percentage movers to the lowest percentage movers, and it goes down, and I have it color coordinated. The purple is when a stock is really moving, and as you can see I have the float for each individual stock on this one and the price. So this is the scanner. It's a custom scanner I made and use, and it is one I pay subscription to, about $114 a month for me to have this scanner. But you pay for the subscription, but you have to do the configurations yourself. So that's what I use every single day in the open to see what's actually moving in the markets. So the first stock that was moving in the markets was not really WNW, but I don't remember exactly what was moving at that time. But I saw that WNW was a low float. It pulled back and it was just consolidating around right below the VWAP. And there was some news on it this morning, and I knew that if it got a push, just a small push, that it might continue. Oh no, there was no news on this one. No, there was no news. This was just off. Yeah. So, and I saw that it pushed above here and it pulled back. So I'm like, okay, that is fine. And as I saw it pushing back up and some volume was coming into it, so I bought it for the break of 9. And I rode it all the way up to where did I start? Where did I start selling? I bought it at 9. I sold some shares at 10. I sold some at 10.11, 10.03. Yep, 10.11, and my last shares I sold was around 10.03. So it was nice. This was nicely moving. Made $1,000 on there, and then MEDS popped up on my scanner, and I quickly pulled it up, and I saw this one around around the $5 on this third candle here, and I was looking for an entry, and I told myself to buy for the break of 6, but I hesitated because it was just moving and kept moving, and I couldn't dial in a good entry because it just extended. And my first entry was when I bought for the break on MEDS for the break of 8. I bought for the break of 8 around 850 area on this candle, and I think it hesitated, so I sold it immediately. Probably a couple seconds after, probably a couple. I didn't hold it for too long. And then I got in around 52 on this candle here for the break of 8, and it dropped to around 780, and I sold about $200, about $200 loss on that one. So I was like, okay, all right. But I knew that I was waiting for this move to take place because it was the first pullback for this stock. And then I bought around on 854 on this candle as it was moving. I bought around 8. It pushed back down to 90, and I immediately sold again. So it's like third stop out. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna wait. And then right after this candle got closed, this thing immediately shot up. And so I was looking for an entry, and I got an entry before the break of this high, which was around 851, and I bought it around 830. And I sold my shares at 64, and I held some. I sold some at 78. As it kept moving. Sold some at 78 around the 57 area, and I sold some around 65, and I got out of there. And the next entry I got into this one was when the market opened. Like, I got in for this break here, expecting for continuation. I got in a little bit high, also 939, and when I saw that it was hesitating around these levels, I immediately pressed the sell sold button. I exited, and I made about $40 extra on this one, so that was good. And then MRIN popped up, and it just went crazy. It popped up, MRIN popped up, and as I saw it popping up, it was just moving. It was just keep continuing, and I was looking for an entry around the 15 area. I could not get that entry, so I waited. Okay, I'm saying next candle, and on this candle here, I bought for the break of I bought at 16, I think, right? Let me make sure. Yeah, 944. Yeah, this is the candle. This is at the level I bought. I bought for the break of 16. And did I buy it? Nope, I tried to buy for the breaks of 16. I didn't get filled. Then so I canceled it. Okay, so on the next candle right after that, it big popped, and then it flushed. Then right after that, 18 to 15, $3 move in just one candle, and then all of a sudden, like, came back from 16, and then just went parabolic on just one candle. $2, almost $1.50 move plus, and then it got halted. When it got halted, I say on resumption, I know 1889 was the high for it, so I am looking to buy at 1889. I did buy 50 shares though. I got filled 50 shares before this whole place. Yeah, I remember that. I did buy 50 shares. I didn't get to fill my entire shares, but I did buy 50 shares. And then when it resumed, I bought
around the 1877. I bought some more shares at 1877, and as you can see, it popped up and I sold my shares. This trade right here from 55.56 to 55.59 took about 3 seconds to execute. Buy and sell in 3 seconds, and I made about $326 on just that trade alone in 3 seconds. And that was it for me on this one. This one was a big mover. You know, it still has room to go. Tomorrow it could definitely surprise us again, because this right now 1991 is the 1995 is the high. As you can see here, it pulled back and it's just doing a consolidation, but it can definitely give you a move back, you know, a parabolic move like it did yesterday. So looking forward for another day tomorrow. Tomorrow will be Friday, and looking to make some really good profits tomorrow also, pre-market and during the market. And please share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.